Let's get this recorded. All right. This done turned into a fancy class. Fancy need to be over here.
Fancy class just ended.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Log in. Gotta get my coins for my pre-search. My bad, y'all. This is a little off topic right now, but I'm definitely about to go look at this.
Oh nah, you ain't gotta log in if you got pre-search as an extension.
Yeah, nah, shit. I always do every time.
So do you go to pre-search every time you want to look something up?
Yeah.
That's why. You got pre-search as your extension, just type what you want to look at in the search bar up there where you put your URLs.
Oh, okay, cool.
You're automatically logged in. Doing it this way, you're logging in, but you don't have to because you already have the extension. They're making you log in because you're actually going to presearch.com first.
Oh, okay, okay. No doubt.
But if you leave pre-search and just open up a browser and just type in what you're searching for, like where you will put in your web address, you'll see it'll come up as a pre-search return because you already have the extension.
Yep. Okay. Yep. That's what I'm seeing at the top now. Okay. So let's just do a search from here then. Nope, not pre-search. New construction, bro. Said new construction in Miami, Florida. I spelled that right? No, the fuck I didn't. Take a look. Where would I find that information in chat and like the who would have that information? Let's find out.
City website,
City website.
their local news. There you go, Miami new developments. That's for residential. Um, put in new clubs in Miami for your search
Okay.
or new Miami nightlife. I usually search like I find more things when I search for stuff the way I would actually ask the question. Like, oh
For
shoot,
sure.
when are there gonna be some new clubs in Miami? And that's what I put in the search bar. And I usually get, you know what I'm saying, what I want.
Okay. That's a bet. And new bars with great cocktails. April the 7th. See where y'all at. Hey, this straight up about to be the cheat code. Straight about to be the cheat code right now. Like, oh, what's the address? You said it was where? All right. This one is on 8300 right here. So let me see if I can grab that boy. Or I could just type it in. See if I can do that. Right there, 8300. Come on, man. You slowing my shit down.
I just want to let you know I grabbed 36% earlier off of AVAX. Wait for your
Nice.
class.
Nice. Which way? Up or down?
Shorted it.
Nice. What time frame?
What was I on? Oh, I should have just hit the reverse because it popped right back up. I would have got 73% if I would have hit the reverse button.
See, this is what happens when you go off task. Start slowing your shit down. Come on. Yep. I was off task. All right, so let's get back on task. Let me close
If
this.
you need the address, it's 8600 Northeast 2nd Avenue.
No doubt. I'm about to close this website. That bitch was slowing my whole shit down. There we go. Sharing this pause, screen to sharing. All right, let's get back on task. I'll go back to that in a minute. I got to get back to trading view. That's what we really here for. Close that. Let me close that. And let me know if y'all can see the trading view screen when it pulls up. Y'all see the trading view screen?
Yep.
Perfect. Let's see. See what we got popping. What you think so far, chat?
What's that? ETH?
Yeah. Look at the screen. What you think so far?
It needs to break that. I see it coming up. Hold on. Yeah, that's see where your purple line is at 2197.
Mm-hmm.
It needs to break that
Mm-hmm.
for it to be bullish.
Mm-hmm.
Other than that, it's a big bear flag.
Mm.
That's what it looked like. It looked like a big bear flag, like it can at any moment break back down to that 18, that bottom purple line. You had that 1860, what's that? 1840? No, 1812.
Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Time go off of your candles.
Okay.
What's
Right.
that? A weekly?
Yep. Let's go here.
Yeah, because that double top right there is like the halfway point of that drop to your left. It has to break above that halfway point, and once it does, it'll come back up to that last double top up there, right around what's that, between 33 and 3700.
But I also see this though. Check this out.
Mm-hmm.
So I see what you're talking about. So we got two possible directions, and the direction's looking like down.
Yep.
Direction is definitely looking like down. Mm-hmm. Look. Right there. Here's your resistance. You got resistance at 2033 right there. That was the last ditch effort right there.
What's that support you got down there?
I
Right
got
there, right there. Nope, nope. Slide up a little bit.
here.
Nope. Yeah, right there. What's that?
1827.
So if it break that, then it can probably come back down and touch your trend line.
Where's my trend line? Trend line, X marks the spot.
Yep, because you see to your left, that was an inverted head and shoulders down there where it had last touched your trend line. That was the top of the head. So
Nice.
that inverted head and shoulders played out, came back down, found support, went back up, rounded, topped off, came back down, found support, and bounced back up. But it was an imbalance. That imbalance it met the halfway bar, the halfway point on that last big green candle, and now it's coming back down. It's gonna it has to at least touch that 1827 and need to see if that's gonna stay support or if that's gonna break. And if it breaks, it'll come back down and touch your trend line. Yeah, I'm with that.
And then if you break that,
Definitely with that.
It's a nice
Because
dip.
if it hits that, it'll probably bounce back up and hit the 1827 because that will be the resistance.
Because this used to be previous support, so it's got to hit that.
Right.
It's got to
Right.
hit that. It has to hit that. And it was previous support here, previous support here, but it was resistance here, 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 support here, support here, support here, resistance all back here.
Yeah, that's a nice spot right there.
3%.
I might have to short that real quick.
So just go
Oh no.
ahead, turn the short on. Go
I
ahead.
hadn't looked at all that.
Yeah. Let me see that AVEX though. Hold on. Let me see that AVEX you were just talking about.
I
Nice.
haven't even looked at AVAX on the large scale.
Look at the daily.
Yep.
Bing, bing. Next stop. Right here. 13.
Yep.
Nice. Oh. 1302. Call it there. 1303.9, 5.62.
Yep. I'm about to swap some debt.
Or if you can get it down to the 236. Oh.
Yep. About to swap some debt.
Very nice. Let me see on the
Because
weekly.
it has to pull back. It's trying to run back up and fill the imbalance back up to like $16, $17. Doesn't have enough energy to do that. If you look on your weekly candle, that last weekly candle, the green one, went up to 16. That wick, went up there to like 16. It couldn't stay up there. All it did was retest the midway point of the drop. Come back down. They got to get a little bit more energy to come back up. Because the wicks on the bottom wicks on your last 3 weeks shows that it can go down there, but it's not going to stay.
It's going to get bought up.
Yep.
That's what I was saying about the DCA. You know what I'm saying? Any pullbacks, just DCA on. So right now, this right here. So what could we do with this situation? We can either short this situation or possibly, maybe. What AVEX look like versus BTC? Let me see something. Going back versus BTC. Hard. The next step. That's the first stop right there. Second stop right here. Third stop right there. You break past here. You coming back down to here first. That's 10.98%. That is 11.67%. Shit.
And you be earning Bitcoin doing that?
Yeah.
Dope.
or would you be earning AVEX? Because AVEX versus BTC, so you could be selling AVEX for Bitcoin. So yeah, 11.67% more Bitcoin to the downside.
Dope.
That's how you want it. You know what I'm saying? Fill your Bitcoin bags. That's how you do that. Let's take a look at the big boys. Go to the red list. Let's take a look at the total. Hit the weekly. Bam. Still using that box as the support. Last week, we talked about the box, using their box as support. Jumped off the box. You ran off the box. You went nuts off the box. That thing was nuts. But now we don't have that same support again, and we're coming back to test that box. The box is in between $1.127 trillion and $1.108 trillion. If we break below that point, I would say we're going to come back first, hit the spot somewhere at about 1.084 trillion, and then possibly test this macro trend line that I have drawn on the weekly. Come back, test that macro trend line, and if we hold above this major trend line right here, where are we at? 1.084 trillion. Anything below this point is going to invalidate this macro trend, and the market is going to turn bearish. And it's going to be some shit, because these were just like quick buy orders. So you might bounce off of this area, but if it breaks that uptrend, it's going to be a problem. It's going to be real red right in the market. But as you can see, the market is already dropping right now. Everything is red. Algorand is red. Bitcoin is red. Matter of fact, let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. So me and the homie was on the line on the call earlier, and we was looking at a short. See if that short played out. Nice. The short is up $174.68. So he was asking me about small time frames and how to best utilize them. And I was telling him that with small time frames, you can use them for entries, but they'll fake you out with a strong move because it'll look like it's a great move, but it's actually not that great of a move. So something like this, if you were in a 1 minute time frame and you were trading this would be frightening. But really, the overall trend showed you that it was on its way down. You see that on the 1 hour? See how we had support and then we lost support? Now it's on its way back down. It could possibly come back and test this trend line or our entry, but that's something that you got to be willing to deal with. But on the 4 hour, it's bearish. On the daily, it's bearish. Look how it's leaning over. I want you to pay attention to that. You see how the asset is leaning over? See how it's like somebody kind of almost like bending over to touch their toes, if you will. You know what I'm saying? You're stretching your legs. That's getting ready to come down and possibly test down here. First stop is going to be 28,000. What is that? 297? That's going to be the first stop. Where's my second stop? If it breaks that. Second stop, if it breaks that, it's going to be, what's that, 27? After that, I think it's going to come back and test this one right here, 26, 310, and then finally testing that $25,000 area. So I'm looking at possible, and then look how it probably lines up with my Fibonacci retracement too. That's the funny part. I got every line except for the 618 and the 236. I'm off a little bit by the 236, but my halfway point is spot on. My 786 is almost spot on. So this is just confirmation. You're already under your 236. You already have the closure under your 236. The next stop is going to be 29,142. You could come back and retest this because this is part of an impulsive move. But if it is, then the entire impulsive move is going to have some sort of reaction to the impulsive move. So right now, this would be looking like a good time to get into either a discharge or some sort of short. But I would really say open your short up for real if you get a closure under $29,142. You get a daily closure under there, then you're definitely going to come down and test the 618. And your 618 is at $27,476. That's on Bitcoin. I'm gonna keep that up. I'm gonna hold that up there. Let's take a look at Aave. By the way, $16 billion has left the market so far today. 16.16. I'm sorry, 16.271 billion has left the market so far. Still dropping as we're talking right now. I had a weekly downtrend on Aave, and it's still in that downtrend. All you did was come up and test the trend. That's all you did. We talked about Aave for the past few weeks, and all you did was test the trend. So now that you've done that, this was your high. This is a lower high. Just mark that off. Looking at that, I would say that Aave could come down and test $64.95. Anything closing below that would be somewhere around $61.97. Get that back, bro. Thank you. And then anything under that, I would say somewhere around $59.21. Let's just see how the daily looks for real. You're already on that first line. That second line is bound to happen. You're already leaning. You're already leaning. Look at that. Under your 236, headed right for $67.50. Currently trading at $70.92. Let's take a look at your 4-hour. Oh yeah, lost it on your 4-hour. Currently trading under the 382 right now. This would actually be the ideal entry right now, to be honest with you. Bam. Take it to there. Looking at a possible 4.82% to the downside from where we are right now, or a possible 8.33% to the downside from where we are right now. Looking real good for a short. You're holding this as somewhat of a support level, but it's not there. Trust me. It is not there. That thing is coming down. Look at this on the 1-hour. That thing looked like the Silver Surfer. Like it's a whole wave by itself. So you got the confirmation right here. I think it's coming down. So yeah, first stop, $67, 67.46. What is that? No, 67.50 even. 67.50 even is the first stop. And that is, or hold on, wait a minute. We got some support right here. So I would say $69.03, but anything breaking below that, you're gonna touch all of this right here. So I'm gonna still say $67.50 only because that thing is leaning on the 4 hour. It's leaning. Look at it. It's kind of ugly head and shoulders, but it's there. Chad, you see that head and shoulders? Right there. Bing, bing. Let me see.
I see it.
Let me see. Let me see.
It's ugly.
Yeah, it's ugly as shit.
It come back down to that double bottom you got to your left, right there. Yep.
Hold on. Ugly. Ugly duck. Or was that the shoulder up there? I don't know. I'm just seeing what I'm seeing. I'm just saying. It's ugly as shit. But I'm just saying. Let it go, magnet. Pump. Let's see. Shit. 61.50. Used to be support and resistance, and then turn it to support again.
61.50.
Man, listen. That's 13.11%. Look at it on the daily again. Yeah. Those big boy candles. Look at this. Turn all this shit off. Look at this shit. Look at that. Thing is coming down. Where's Mal? I need
Yeah,
Mal.
it's got that's your first stop
Mm-hmm.
right there. So see, it was support and it was resistance.
Mm-hmm.
And then your next stop is right about where you at.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, right there.
Ooh. Holy shit.
See that?
Ooh. Possibly 56, maybe even lower.
Uh-huh, right there.
Ooh. Oh my God. 55?
Yep,
Yeah.
right there.
Hold on. I was just looking at a Dikembe Mutombo jersey, and his number his number 55, bro. Oh shit. Hold on.
Cause you see that long wick you got down there right there?
Well,
That
buddy.
might actually want to try to fill that wick.
Say little Wickfield.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
If it get down to that 55.13, yeah, it could wick down there. Something real fast. Make
55,
everybody nervous.
55.77 is the 786.
See?
We was off just a little bit.
Bro, just do something provocative. Get the
Yeah,
people
what's up?
going.
Get people going. Oh shit. Hold on. Yeah, you lose that EMA right there. It's curtains.
Yeah.
Curtains. Lose that EMA.
slow singing and flower bringing.
No doubt. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Curve. See what you got, Curve. Curve showing the same shit. Hitting that same look. Hit the box. Look at that. Hit the box. Came out the box. Hit the box clean. Came out of it just a little bit and then rejected. Like, boom. Didn't I say that was the resistance? That's the resistance. It used to be support. It turned into resistance. Now you coming down to possibly test, what's that, 75 cents? Anything below that, you're going to test this right here at 72 cents. Anything below that, you're going to test 70 cents. Anything below that, you're going to test 66 cents. Let's see what the fibs got to say. Let me turn all this off. You know what? I'm going to keep that on because I don't want to lose my place. There we go. 382, right up under the 50-day at 76.92. We had that support drawn right up under there though at 75.74. Your 618 is at 68.90. 68.90. So if you lose this area, this is wide open. And actually, if you lose that area, I would actually begin my short somewhere under 75.74. So let's just say this. Just call it clean from here. If we close under 75.74, I would start my short from there. And then I would target the 618, which would give you about 9.03% to the downside, or for a very nice discharge of almost 10%. So if you had a debt of $10,000, you would be knocking off almost $900. So I like that. That is amazing. Matic, Matic coming down. Matic coming down. It was looking like it was going to make a move. It made a little move, but it got rejected by that 200-day. And you actually didn't even get to see the 200-day. You never even touched it. You just hit a little area real quick. Quick up, just bam. So anything closing under, and this was our stop right here because we had a bullish move on Matic. And now that looks like that bullish move is over unless we hold this area as the support. We're looking at possible 6% to the downside loss on this particular trade. So what I would do is I would then turn this into a short if we get any type of closure under 71.35. That is 71 cents or almost 71.5 cents. Any closure under here is going to bring you down. And actually, we're already under the 236 as we're speaking right now. So let's just go ahead and flip the fib now. I'm going to still keep this as my stop loss because that was my original position. And then I'm going to turn my fibs on. See what the fibs got to say. Fibs say that you are currently trading under the 382. And right up under that is your 20-day. So really, like I said, if you break this support right here, then yeah, you're clear to go back down to 65.59. So let's just call it from the purple line. That is 8.15% to the downside for Matic. 8.15%. And if you get any type of closure under the 618, hold on. Jeez. You're looking at 17.7% to the downside on Matic. Ooh, if you lose the 618, it's going to be back at 59 cents. Now, you do not want to close under the 786. You do not. You don't want no parts of anything under 59 cents. If you do, you're looking at 40 cents. And then that will turn that short that we started from the purple line into a 43.25% drop. So no parts. We don't want no parts of anything under 59 cents on Matic. Let's check sushi out. I gotta get rid of this ugly chart. It's an ugly chart for sushi. I don't even really like trading sushi for real. But I do chart it though. Let's get a better chart. It's better, but it's still shitty. What did it do? Let me see this on a daily. I had a swing low to swing high somewhere. Right here. Swing low to swing high. Right here. You came down and you almost tested that 1618 at 444. Almost at 444. So now you're just coming back to retest this Fibonacci retracement, which is your 69 cents, almost 70 cents. Had a nice little run up, but this looks like a beginning of a shooting star on a pattern. So this could be like a little last ditch effort to try to reach that 20-day again. But anything closing back below 69 cents on sushi is going to bring you back down to 59 cents. So you're looking at a potential, any closure under here. You're looking at a potential 15% to the downside on sushi. Any type of closure under 699. It's 69 cents, almost 70 cents. That's on sushi. Let's take a look at Balancer. Balancer still not looking good. We thought this was a Dragonfly doji. It wasn't. Thought it was a Dragonfly. It was looking good, like it wanted to be a Dragonfly. Like it could spread its wings, but the 20-day didn't have nothing for it. And you're still in this macro downtrend. So you lose this 20-day, you're going to feel this wick. If you lose that 20-day right here, this red line, you're going to feel this wick. So from here, I would say get the closure here. Go ahead and look at 21.77% to the downside for Balancer. 21.77%. And I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what? Let's turn all this off. Let's get it from here. Let's call it clean. I like a clean play. I don't like for anything to look ugly. I like cleaning. So let's make it clean. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. That's better. First stop, you're looking at 3%, 3.10%. Second stop, you are looking at 6.56%. And the third stop is about 10.15%. That's conservative. That's better. Just that was looking a little ugly. I ain't like the way that was looking. So 10% to the downside, possible for a balancer. Anything closing back above $5.04 is going to invalidate this downside, and we're going to see prices start to rebound to a possible, I would say somewhere about here. I wouldn't go that deep into it, but I would say you start bouncing around 504, then you could see 537 as a first stop, and then anything starts trading above that, you start looking at $5.57. But right now, I'm seeing downside. So that's how I'm going to play it. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yep, even your 4-hour is under the 236. 4 hours right under the 236. So yeah, 382 is definitely going to be your first stop. And anything closing below that, I would say you're going to look at that 618 at $4.17, almost $4.18. and that's on balancer. Let's take a look at OP. OP was doing the thing. OP was doing the thing. It did a thing. That thing almost ran to the 786. Currently getting rejected by your 618 right now at $1.49, almost $1.50. Anything closing below, really, you're under your 618. I would target this back to the 382, to be honest with you, at $1.26. My stop loss will be anything closing back above $1.49. So you're looking at a possible downside. Let's go. Where's my long position? That long or short? Yes, long. Nope, I don't want the long. I want the short. Looking at a possible 12.49% to the downside. And a possible risk to the upside of 4.02%. So that's a very good risk. That's a very good risk. You're only risking 4.02% for a possible 12.49% return. You do that on 5x, that's a nice return. You do it on 10x, that's an even better return. It's 124%, almost 125% on this trade. So risk 4% to gain 12.49. Yeah, yeah. I like the odds on that. Let me see you on the weekly. Yeah, yeah. I like the odds on it. There's your resistance. So I'm not even tripping. It's right there. Bing. So I'm not even tripping on it. And then I can show it to you on the daily as well. There's your resistance right there on the daily. You're getting that curve over. Bing, bing, bing. And then you don't hold this as the support, then yeah, you definitely could come down here. That's what I'm seeing on OP. Looks good to me. Matter of fact, let's make that happen. Profit. To take profit, $1.26. Let's do $1.27. Stop loss. Let's do $1.50. And prices. I can do that. That'll work. Perfect. See how that goes. Just taking a trade on OP. See how it goes. Looking at a possible $889 return or a possible $259 loss. That is good risk. That's how you trade. That's great risk. That's on OP. Take a look at FTM. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, FTM coming down. Yeah, FTM coming down. Ooh. You get a daily closure under this 618. 786 is your first stop. What you looking at? What you looking at? What you looking at? What you looking at? 6.62% to the downside. That's nice. I'll take that. That'd be nice. Now, if you get a closure under the 786, then shit. Only thing gonna hold you up is this wick right here and 18 cents. Shit. So you could possibly be looking at If the 786 doesn't hold you, or the one spot doesn't hold you, you are looking at a possible 29.18% to the downside. I'd be a buyer on FTM at 18 cents, though. I'd be a very happy buyer at 18 cents because you had some buys over here before. Just mark that up right there. Bam. You see that? Well, buyers were definitely right there, but they were right here as well. So it really wouldn't make me none to be a buyer down here. I'd be really a buyer down here. Very good, in fact. 18 cents. I load the boat on FTM at 18 cents. That'd be a very good buy. But that's on FTM. I'm seeing more downside. As you can see, it's not that hard to see. That thing is getting rejected clean. So lower high, lower low, and then it's about to be a big lower low. So yeah, definitely looking at possible 23% to the downside on FTM. Take a look at Algorand. Oh man. It's the ISO 2022. How you say it, chat?
I just put a whole bunch of 2022s on it. Folk know what you talking about. They know what you're saying. They know what you mean. They better get up on them though if they gonna have some.
Hey, shit. Look at this thing.
That looked like the ultimate fake out to me though.
The thing is going down, bro.
Oh no, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down, and then all of a sudden they're gonna pop up out of nowhere. But it's gonna be some weird thing where you're not gonna be able to buy them like you can buy them right now. That's what folk ain't thinking about. They're like, oh well, the ISO tokens ain't performing like they should have been.
Yeah.
But did you get all the wallets that coincide, coincide with them? We still ain't got Fed now yet. You know what I'm saying? That hasn't launched yet. But what happens when you can't purchase all these coins with as much freedom as you can right now?
True. That's what I've been thinking about, bro. And that's really the stories that I really be reading on the real. Like the liquidity is drying up on these exchanges.
Right. And that's what's going to make the price go up because scarcity is going to increase the value.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Big facts. I agree.
And if you already got some, you know what I'm saying, you holding on to them, you'll be good. You're gonna be good. Right. I be looking at long term when it comes to like coins and stuff. I look at the long term, like what do I think this is gonna do in the next 4 or 5 years. That's why I still got my Ripple.
Good shit, bro. Damn good shit. Who doing loans on Ripple right now?
I don't even know. I'm gonna have to go find out.
You might want to go do that.
I know. I got a bunch of it, so And I'm trading it. I'm actively trading it too because it's been wilding on the chart. So
hell yeah, the move's been crazy. But as far as Algorand goes, I'm looking for that 10.21% or 10.21 cents to get hit again. You lose that, you're looking at 7 and almost half cents. So we break below here. Let me just make it clear real quick. Bam, from here to here. That's 27.94%. 27.94% to the downside. Stop loss, I'll put my stop loss like right here. Just to be sure that the wick don't hit me. Matter of fact, I'll raise it up here. Just to be sure that the wick doesn't hit me. Because they're going to try to stop you out. That's exactly what this was last week. Anybody that was thinking about buying, they like, yeah, we buying. Nah, bruh. That was a fake out. That was just a quick wake up. Buy now. No, don't buy that shit right now. Real talk. And it's on the weekly, it look even more detrimental. Jeez. Chad, this thing is creating new lows, bro.
Yep.
Look at this.
I just gonna keep buying it.
That thing is creating new lows. Like, oh, y'all want to be in here? All right, bet.
Yep. And how much? What's the price right now?
And
11 cents.
11 cents.
Every time it drop, I buy $10 worth.
You know what? Yo, y'all want to see something? I want to see something. Hold on. Yo, matter of fact, hold on. You on the computer, right, Chad?
Yep.
All right. You want to share your screen, bro? I want to see, I want to do some research right quick.
Hold on.
Let me give you the capabilities. Hold up. I want to do some research. All right, there we go. I was muted. My bad. Chad, can you hear me?
I hear you.
All right, you got co-host capabilities, bro. Go to DeFi Llama right quick.
Hold on.
I'm gonna stop sharing my screen.
Oh, AVAX is coming up. I got a lot of screens open.
You know you keep the screens open, bro.
I didn't spell that. Supposed to be 2 hours. There you go. What are we looking for?
Go to Tron.
I need to check my money on Tron.
All right, now scroll down. And where was it that I saw that shit?
Yeah, AVAX. What was it?
Where was it? Where was
Oh
it?
shoot, hold on.
Oh, you got your trades going on.
Yeah, I got everything going.
Was it unfi staking? No, it wasn't unfi staking. It was
Look at
it
this.
had, it had
Look at
something.
that.
Check this out. I found something on Tron that has something to do with bonds on chain.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember what it was though. I posted.
Well, let's just check.
Yeah, go to just stables or real world assets. Go back, 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 go back. Hit the back button. All right,
Oh,
go back to Tron.
let me just do it this way.
All right, where's the one that said RWA? STUSDT. Hell yeah, that one. That one.
This one?
Yes, sir. Go to the website. Wow. Okay, hold on. You must got your what you call them on.
I
Or
don't have nothing on.
you don't have nothing on? Hold on.
Oh,
Go back. Go
well,
to Ondo.
I'm
Go to
gonna do
Ondo. Go to Ondo Finance at the bottom.
all right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, shut up.
Then go to their website. Bruh. This is on-chain finance.
Mm-hmm.
They got different pools. They got different funds. Look at the funds. Maker Dow is over here. They got Goldman Sachs,
Yeah, I started looking from right here.
BlackRock.
And I started looking there.
That's what I'm saying, bro. They ain't, man, bro. The ETF is just the front part, bro. Click on that, hover over the funds button. Oh shit. Hold on. Go back. I didn't even see that. Hold on.
You know, I speed read, so I be seeing
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. Ideal collateral for
So
decentralized.
it's a blog, but it's from May.
Right.
It caught my eye though.
Mm-hmm. Hold
Talking
on.
about Flux.
Hell yeah. Flux Protocol offers meaningful yield to lenders who loan stablecoins, including USDC, USDT, DAI, and more, to over collateralized borrowers. Borrowers pledge Ondo's Finance OUSG, Ondo's short term US government bond fund. As collateral for the loan.
Read that right there.
OUSG is currently exclusively backed by BlackRock's iShares short-term treasury bond ETF SHV and is currently yielding 4.77%.
Yeah, this is fun.
That's what I'm saying, bro. So go back and look at the products that they have. The funds, go look at the funds. Hover over the word funds
Where you see that
at the top.
Oh, money
Go to US
market, U.S. Treasury. You already know.
Bro, one of these things was like double B, triple B. Bruh, it was nuts. It was nuts. The
What
ETF
wallet?
management fees.
MetaMask,
Oh,
Coinbase.
oh,
Use your
it's
wallet connect.
open. We can
Yeah,
buy
it's open.
US treasuries
Yeah, bro.
with a MetaMask wallet.
Yeah, bro.
Let's go.
Now,
Oh,
now,
go ahead.
once you do that,
Mm-hmm.
do not think nobody's gonna know who you are anymore, or not know who you are anymore. Yeah, you're using decentralized platforms, but when you start moving all this real money, you're gonna have to let somebody know it's connected to you or your business, your trust, something.
Yeah.
It has to be connected to some entity. You gotta account for it.
Yeah, you got to put a person on it.
Yeah.
Got to put a person on it.
Like I know a lot of times we like to say, no KYC and do this, that. Pretty soon you're gonna have it's just like regular banking and regular just keeping your fiat money. You
Yeah.
want some money in a cut
Yep.
and you want some money established to you,
Yep.
or if you have a trust set up, you want the trust to own all that. If you
Yep.
have any type of holding company, okay, the holding company owns all that, and you're an employee, but you have to connect it to something. You can't get wealthy without nobody knowing that you're wealthy.
Yeah. Yeah. You got to connect it to a person. Like I said, it doesn't matter who that person is. It's just got to be somebody.
Right.
So, yeah, they can get that person all day long.
Oh, what's this?
I don't mind giving them the person.
Oh, it brings you to Flux if
Oh,
you want to do some lending. Yeah, there you go.
nice.
Let's see something here. Does not permit. Okay, I'm not in none of those places. Your MetaMask or your Trust wallet, your Brave wallet,
Ooh.
or your Ledger,
Oh,
Coinbase wallet. I have all these. I have all these.
bruh, bruh. Click on the burrow. Go to burrow. Matter of fact, let's go to burrow. Yeah. Let's take a look at the burrow. Where's the
over
burrow?
here,
Yeah, click on that. What can you use for
bro.
cloud?
Well, I done told y'all about this right here.
Oh shit, you sure did. How much
Told
is
y'all
Frax
about
right
this
now?
right here.
How much is Frax right now?
I don't even know. Let's
You
go
tell me.
look.
Let's go take a look at that right quick.
Oh, you see there's multiple Frax too, right?
Yep, I do see that.
You know Frax is in your DeFi, right?
You know, Frax is just a stable coin. Is that what I'm
I,
seeing?
bro, Frax is some stuff.
I noticed, and I didn't read it. I'm about to read it now. Shit, you
Because when you go to Frax, here's Frax.
you sure did. You sure did. You did not disappoint. This came right. So this definitely means I'm supposed to look at this then.
Yep. I done told y'all about the Frax. You got Frax Lend.
Yeah.
Look at
Yeah.
this. Frax Lend is a trustless, permissionless, and non-custodial lending platform that provides lending markets between any two ERC20 tokens. Each pair is in an isolated market, which allows anyone to participate in lending and borrowing activities.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Now look at Frax Ferry.
What the Frax?
Permissionless, non-custodial, and secure method to transfer natively issued Frax protocol tokens across many blockchains without requiring bridges or third-party applications.
Yo.
And you got Frax governance.
Oh, it's on. It's on. Oh,
And like I said before, Frax is in your DeFi, your InstaDApp.
it sure is. It sure is. Yeah, bro. Thank you for bringing this back up.
Anytime.
Yeah. Because this just went down a complete rabbit hole, boy.
This is so the folk that understand banking in general
Yeah.
will really understand this because this is banking on the blockchain and you being able to take the reins of
Mm.
different things, different aspects of banking that you can't do in the real world. You
Yeah.
can't you can't bring your money to your bank and then go behind the counter and move your money into the safe or out of the safe and have the bank take your money and place it to specific things and earn interest like the bank earns interest. But over here you can because not only are you the person bringing the money and putting it in the bank, you're also the bank.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
So the same way a bank would use your money, you're going to use your money.
Yeah. Mm, 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 mm.
This is dope.
It's on.
You know, you can lend, you can borrow,
It's on. It's definitely on. It's a wrap. I thought
they
I
got
was
rewards and stuff.
I was going
They got
hard.
referral links.
I was, bruh. Fucking.
Yep, we're gonna have fun.
Yeah. We're about to have fun, bro. We definitely about to have some fun. Man,
About to have fun.
I appreciate you for this one, bro. Well, yeah,
No
man.
doubt.
I had to go back and look at this again because I was like, wait a minute. I don't think nobody actually saw this. So now we got it on recording and now people will be able to see it and see what's popping.
Uh-huh.
Um, this right here, this next level for real.
So this Zoom recording?
Yeah, it's recorded.
Cool. I might restudy this 100 times.
I made sure
This
to
a
hit the record button. You might want to fast forward past like the first 8 minutes. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah. The first eight
Yeah.
minutes, like it's like trash. Like we was trying to look at some property in Miami, started slowing my internet down. So yeah, just like fast forward first 8 minutes.
Yeah, first 8 minutes you don't really need.
Yeah.
Hey, appreciate y'all.
No doubt, no doubt.
No doubt, bro. All right, man. Let me go ahead and get up out of here, man. I'm about to go chill with the missus. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. And once it's done recording, I'll drop it in the Discord.
All right, appreciate. Thanks.
All right,
Thanks
no
you.
No doubt.
Appreciate your bankroll.
For sure. No doubt.
And we still need to get it up too, baby.
No doubt, man. Hit me with, you know what I'm saying, whenever you're available, bro, and we can get it popping.
All right, that's a bet.
All right, no doubt.
Yeah.
All right, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.